hydrate in the future.
Sure, yeah.
We got a cocktail to make here, so let's not forget the beverage. Noah, you want to talk about this one, the Brazil 66?
About this cocktail, but here in Hawaii on the North Shore, there's a Brazilian community. So when I went to one of my friend's house years ago, he used to be a bartender. We had a falling out, so I don't really talk to him. So, anyways, he's from Brazil, and then he created this. He's like, "Oh, have you heard of a Brazil 66?" And then I was like, "Oh no," and he just created it and put it together. But you know, I liked it, what he made, and during the 1 year of us being open here, maybe 2 or 3 times I had to make it for some people, or some people asked if we made it. So I just kind of made it for them, and they liked it, so it's cool. But looking at the, the recipe, kind of looks like a Mai Tai, but with cachaça, and no orgeat, and of course there's orange juice in this. So I don't know. Yeah,
it's interesting because
you never heard of it, right, Pete?
Yeah, no, I talked to some Brazilian bartenders. I was like, "Hey, have you ever heard of this cocktail?"
Yeah,
and they were like, "Not really." So it almost seems like, Brazilians in Hawaii were like made their own version of Mai Tai, and it became like an iteration that happened there. I mean, I want to know more about it. It seems delicious. Steven's about to make one for us, but it's kind of interesting to see how these cocktail cultures merge and evolve.
Or like, I don't know the history exactly where this came from. I know it's a riff of spin-off of their famous cocktail there. I don't know. That's what he said. But I figure I would make it out. So
Let's
something
do it.
different.
Steva,
I'm ready.
you're ready to roll.
I'm ready.
Let's go. You want to talk about this and the ingredients and all that?
Yeah, we're using the DeKuyper Triple Sec, Avuá Prata. And I have my makeshift cobbler shaker here because I'm totally
Wow.
Look, waste not, want not.
Yeah, that's excellent.
So I'm going to start with the 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, and then 1/2 ounce of wine, 1/2 ounce of orange juice, fresh, obviously. Shout out to the Atomic Lounge who helped me press some juice. A little triple sec, also 1/2 ounce. Always delicious. And then some Avuá Prata.
Delicious.
Also delicious, yes. Always. A little ice in my cobbler shaker here.
Can you send me one of those? I really need one of those in my life.
I'm going to send it to you.
Fantastic.
Look, I mean, it's great. Look, here, got a little shake.
Man. That's the simplicity I like out of my cocktail shaker.
And then the best part is it
Wow.
So we're ready to go.
That's it.
Got
Fantastic.
got some pirates and some crabs and.
Oh man, that's definitely that's a Wildwood special right there.
It's going to be a great addition when I eat my weight in raw oysters later.
So good. So good.
How do you like it, Steva?
That's great. It's great. It's kind of like an orange caipirinha.
Yeah.
It's almost like a caipirinha Mai Tai mashup or something.
Yeah. The research I did about it was that they named this drink after Pele in the 66
World Cup. Yeah, that makes sense.
Where he was continually hobbled and Brazil didn't make it past like the semifinals because, everyone was out for Pele, obviously. So.
Yeah.
Where it comes from.
Those were the glory. That was the glory era of Brazilian soccer, 50s and 60s.
Yeah.
Amazing teams. Yeah.
Awesome.
Cool.
Gotta get those cups.
Yeah.
So I can
It's
That's in the mug.
great.
That's the Gold Crown.
walk down the hotel street with just drinking that.
So if you guys want to make this one, post it up. Hashtag Tiki by the CNJ at Tiki by the CNJ. That is always appreciated. All right. We're going to bring Lana on now. Hi, Lana.
Hi.
What's going on?
Not a whole lot.
For a brief moment. All right. We've got 5 questions for you. Hold on. Actually, I got to put up this information real quick. If anybody wants to get in touch with Noah, here's his info. Noah at blackboxeffects.com, Venmo at Noah-Laporga for the tip jar, which I think Fetty set up for us, and at Skull and Crown Trading Co. on IG. And then Adrian is findable through all the means that we just discussed, Desert Oasis podcast in its various iterations.